Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not sending security code to your email or phone number. First thing first, check your access and make sure that you have given access for notification, email, and phone to Instagram. For that, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Once done, search for Instagram. Open your Instagram, tap notification, make sure this is set to allowed. Come back, under permission, make sure this is set to contacts as well. Scroll all the way below, tap on this set as default, and untoggle this. Now for extra, you may go ahead, tap on storage, clear the cache. Now once it is so, try again. Send yourself a code and make sure that your email address is correct or the phone number that you are trying to send the code is correct. Once it is so, you shall receive the code. If it's not working, you may go ahead and try again after a couple hours, or if it's still not working for a long period of time, long tap onto your Instagram, tap on install, tap OK, and then this shall fix your problem after you relaunch it.